And overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 27, verses 42 up to 45. When Rebekah found out what Esau planned to do, she sent for Jacob and told him, "Son, your brother Esau is just waiting for the time when he can kill you. Now listen carefully and do what I say. Go to the home of my brother Laban in Haran and stay with him for a while. When Jacob stops being angry and forgets what you have done to him, I will send for you to come home. Why should I lose both of my sons in the same day?" So in this passage, Rebecca became aware of the death threat of Esau to Jacob. That's why he gave warning to Jacob and sent Jacob to Haran to his brother Laban for protection. See, that is your a mother instinct because as we all knew, he too cared not just for Jacob. Yes, Jacob is her favorite son. However, he can't he can't allow Esau to kill